What about this, Ava? You played with this nonstop.
It's just a mirror, Mom.
It's just a mirror, Mom. Got it. Here is, sorry, my camera's having a hard time focusing because of her new LED lights that she wanted. She actually put some underneath her bed. These she got for Christmas. I'm glad she just did this and not the whole room because it would be a little bit too much. But let me cut the light on here. All right, this, my friends, is what we're working on. This. We have got to do something about this. And my mother-in-law's here. She's going to help me.
Hi, how are you? Happy holidays. Happy New Year.
Because this is a job that I cannot tackle. Well, I can, but it's a lot. And so while she's here, she's being graciously kind and helping us. Because you guys remember what it looked like before when I had the professional come, and this is a year later. So we've accumulated some things, so it's time to get rid of some things and utilize her closet better for hanging some of her stuff and more storage for her clothes. So that's what we're gonna work on. All right, let's get started. So just work on the right side.
On this side.
Yeah. And I can get one of those rods to put on, and then we can just fold everything.
And you can also get maybe one or two more of these.
Yeah.
And put them up there.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just when I thought I was getting good at decluttering. This is tough. This is tough. Is it not?
You're getting there.
It's just so many things, y'all. But it's okay. I'm still, like, just to go through each one of these, I'm having my daughter go through them and decide some of the stuff she still wants to keep. She still plays with a lot of these things, but we just have to make more room. But we're making it. Honey, what about these things? These bigger Barbie toys. Can you see? We're making it, y'all. I am making it. When you're overwhelmed, the reason why we say Jesus take the wheel sometimes is when you're overwhelmed, you just want the Lord to come in and take over. Hey,
What are you guys doing? How's it going?
we're going through all this stuff.
Good luck.
What about this stuff? Let's go through some of this.
I'm keeping the scooter.
You're keeping the scooter. Okay. What about this?
No.
No. What about this light? Oh, this light still works.
Oh.
How cute. They could be like a light for their school. Emergency broadcast.
No.
Okay.
None of it.
You don't want any of this. What about this, Ava? You played with this nonstop.
It's just a mirror, Mom.
It's just a mirror, Mom. Got it. We are getting there. Yes, Lord, for the rest of my days. We're doing great so far. This is our donation bin. her donation section. So there's more stuff coming out, and we're still working on the stuff that's in here. Slowly but surely, we're making progress. My mom-in-law, she's so cute, isn't she? She really did all this, you guys. Seriously, are you ready? Are you ready to see this transformation? I don't think y'all are, because you remember what it looked like before. Let me remind you. Here's the before and the after. We pulled everything out that was on the floor. We went through, the hardest part was going through each one of these bins. That was the hardest, because it's just so many little tchotchkes. And Ava had to give her breaks because it was like a lot for her, because she was just, you know, she would just be like, I don't want it, or I don't feel like it, you know. But I did let her make all the decisions, and all of these were full with just random stuff. But now we have like a lot of room. Besides that, these are all her Baby Alive stuff, and like little stuff for her schoolhouse and the hair salon and stuff. And then like a few Barbie things that she still wants. This is empty. That just houses the extra roll of paper for her desk. A few Barbie things. This is empty. This is some of her doll stuff, and then puzzles and games. So I'm really happy. As a matter of fact, I can probably consolidate this in here. Can it fit? I don't know, this helicopter's so big. Oh, it fits. Perfect. So of course we have all of her books, and then she has her newest addition is this kitchen for her. She likes the American Girl size dolls, or Welly Wisher size, our generation kind of thing. The few stuffed animals that we have left, and then the stuff up here that we have, those are her art supplies in there. And then their bins that I keep from their grades, like pre-K all the way up to now they're in 6th and 4th. They're just special things that I like to keep for them. And then we cleared this so that we'd have more space for like her bulkier items to fold and put up here. And then her jackets, we still use the system of picking out our outfits for the whole week. Now we can do that. Now we have space for that, a special space for that, because it was so crowded. It was like leaning in here before. And then she has her hair salon for her dolls, and her easel, and more hooks and space for jackets and stuff. I am going to buy her some more hooks to put on here. This one doesn't hold as much weight. So that is where we're at. So happy with the way it looks. So hopefully this inspired you guys to do something that you don't feel like doing, because I sure did not feel like doing this. But listen, it's a constant work in progress. There's never a final end. Let me show you guys all the stuff we're getting rid of, and the trash, and all the stuff that we're donating. This is all the stuff we're donating. All of this. And then that's a bag of trash that we're throwing away. Oh, that's donate. Okay. Oh, I had another large bag of trash, but all of this came out of her room. So that's a really, really big win. And plus, for us, we're definitely making moves and continuing on our journey to have a decluttered home. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family as we have lots more of continued decluttering to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.